16th December 2014.
The day we lost a generation
of thinkers and dreamers.
A generation that left us all united.
Some were 15,
Few were 9,
present there,
to rise and shine,
gone,
but never forgotten. They live in all of us today.
in every child who picks up his bag to go to school every day,
In every soldier,
who sleeps on our border.
in every mother who teaches his son to fight with honor.
We have been singing national songs since childhood.
But this incident, it blew life in those words.
We are Muhammad's army.
We have Ali's courage.
We have a history that scares you to death.
You have lost this battle to us.
We are a nation of beauty and great grief.
Killing us will give you no relief.
Whole of the world knows we won.
Our smiles are stronger than your guns. Gone, but never forgotten.
लगाने जो आग आए थे आशियाने को, वो शोले अपने लहू से बुझा दिए तुमने.